Meta's social media platforms Instagram, Facebook and Threads are down for many users across the globe Tuesday morning. Facebook and Threads seem to be particularly impacted. Neither app was loading as of 10 a.m. Eastern Time, when reports of the outage started to surface on downdetector.com. Instagram feeds aren't refreshing for some users, while others are still able to access the app. Many Facebook users are unable to log in. We're aware people are having trouble accessing our services. We are working on this now, Meta spokesperson Andy Stone wrote in a post on the social media site X Tuesday. The outages are occurring on the same day as Super Tuesday presidential primaries, as 16 states and 1 territory head to the polls. The disruptions could present a problem for the presidential campaigns, which rely heavily on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to reach voters. The hashtags #InstagramDown and #FacebookOutage were trending on X Tuesday morning. Shares of Meta were down more than 1%. Additionally, Meta is experiencing major disruptions across its Meta Admin Center, Facebook Login, WhatsApp Business API and Marketing API, according to a company website that tracks the status of its business products. The service disruption follows a major outage in 2021, when Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp were down for more than 6 hours. At the time, Facebook, now Meta, said the outage was caused by configuration changes on backbone routers. It is not immediately clear when Tuesday's outages will be resolved.